So do you guys happen to have a Skyline and your headlight switch is always kind of working a little weird? Sometimes your headlights come on, you get a little smack or jiggle and they'll come back on. It's actually a pretty simple fix. So all you really need to do is just take your cluster out, and the switch is just held in by 4 little screws, or 3 little screws, I'm sorry. And it pulls right out. You just pull the knob right off and it just comes right out. Unplug it. It's pretty simple, not too hard. Alright, so once you got the switch out, on the side you're going to see these 2 little tabs that you can just pull apart with a small screwdriver, and you're going to separate the plug from the actual switch. Alright, so once you have them apart, what you're going to want to do is to clean out these contact pads. Essentially, when you rotate that switch, this just moves up and down, and it pushes these 3 things up and down, turning on your parking lights and headlights, or turning them off. Alright, so after cleaning the contacts and messing around with it a little bit, I'm just going to test out to see if it's working now. And now my headlights are coming on. Alright, so now that everything's screwed back in, plugged back in, I'm going to give it one more test just to see that everything works. And it works. So prior to me doing this, I used to always have to like give it a tap or whatever for my headlights to come on. Yeah, it was kind of annoying and kind of embarrassing, I guess. Anyways, I hope this fixes it rather than spending $100 on another switch. Yeah, nice, cheap, and well, nice and easy fix. Alright, so while I had everything apart, I also installed this flasher relay from Autozone. I actually ended up changing all my corner lights and tail lights and everything to LED. Once I did that, everything started doing that, you know, hyper flash and whatnot. Got this at Autozone, pretty cheap, just plug and play. The flasher relay is located right next to the left side of the steering column. It's held in with actually a bolt. This is actually the stock relay, if you're curious as to what it is, and it's just held in with 1 small bolt. So for the LED bulbs that I'm using for my corner and brake lights and such are these aux beam lights. I guess they have pretty good marketing, because I kept seeing them pop up on all these YouTubers, you know, vlogs and everything. Oh, aux beam sent me this and yada yada yada. Anyways, here I am buying this crap, and yeah, they're actually pretty good. They actually, you know, they plug right in, and they're actually really bright, way brighter than the, you know, your incandescent lights. So yeah, they're pretty awesome. Check them out. I got these on Amazon for pretty cheap. So with that flasher relay, I don't get that hyper flashing like I was before. You know, my lights now work, even though you can't see it right now. Anyways, I figured I wasn't originally going to record this, but it's why I'm recording on my iPhone 6, my broken iPhone 6. Sorry for the, you know, video quality and everything. Anyways, I hope this is helpful for some of you guys, and I'll catch you next time. Peace out, guys.